For this last video, we're going to be looking at finding side lengths in a square. So for number 1, I want to find the measure of each side length in the square below. So I'm given that this side length is 2. I want to find the side lengths of the square. I know for a square that all sides are congruent, so I know those are all equal to each other. I know since a square is also a rectangle that the diagonals are congruent. I know since a square is a parallelogram that the diagonals bisect each other. And so that means that all 4 of these are actually all equal to each other. So all of them are actually 2. So I'm going to look at this like a triangle. So I have this triangle right here. I also know, since this is a rhombus as well, because all squares are also rhombus, that the diagonals intersect are perpendicular to each other. And so I know that this is also a 90-degree angle. So if I were to just take that triangle out, I really have this, and I want to find this side length. So this is going all the way back to chapter 1 when we learned about the Pythagorean Theorem. That was that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Where if I have this a right triangle, a and b are the legs, c is the hypotenuse. And so I see I have the legs of my triangle here. I want to find the hypotenuse. I'm just going to go ahead and call this x. So to solve that, I'm just going to plug that into a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I have 2 squared plus 2 squared is equal to x squared. Well, 2 squared is just 4. 4 plus 4, I get 8. And then when I take the square root on both sides, I get 2.8 is equal to x. So the side lengths for this square is 2.8 units. I went ahead and just rounded to the nearest tenth. Okay, let's try that again. So I have this time that each one is 5. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that same rectangle or triangle here. I want to find my side length, and I know that all the side lengths are equal to each other. So now I have 5 squared plus 5 squared is equal to x squared. 5 squared is just 25, because it's 5 times 5. 25 plus 25, I get 50. And then I take the square root on both sides, and when I take the square root of 50, I get 7.1 when I round to the nearest tenth. So that means each side length in this square is 7.1 units.